Saddler Belts and Leathercraft Pty Limited started in 1990 in Durban, South Africa. Saddler grew with large sales to retail chain stores and has since expanded its offering to many other sectors. We supply belts to most retail chain stores in South Africa, but our global footprint is ever expanding. Our customers value us for consistent quality, quick turnaround times, and tailoring the end products to meet their needs. Our manufacturing plant has an annual capacity of over 1 million belts. Our world-class manufacturing plant uses some of the latest technologies and equipment for flexibility and consistent quality. We also have a well-trained workforce. Saddler Belts supplies large security and uniform companies. We have an ever-increasing independent store customer base, supplying upmarket smart and casual belts as well as exotic leather belts to tourist-orientated shops. Our range includes men's, ladies and kids. We manufacture both genuine leather and synthetic belts. We pride ourselves on exceptional levels of customer service. We thank all our current customers for their business, and we look forward to growing our business with new customers.